Hey, let me show you unboxing and preview of the JBL Live Beam 3. So as you can see, first quick information about the specification. Right here we can find this smart charging case. So we can use this device without our phone. We are gonna test this. We've got the adaptive noise cancellation. We've got 6 microphones, up to 48 hours battery. So on the single charge they stay for 12 hours, and with the case 33 hours. On the left side we can find information that they are compatible with Android, iOS. There's the equalizer, ANC control, 4 different tip size. There's the cable inside, USB Type-C in the case, and Bluetooth in the 5.3 version. On the back, that's actually how the case looks. We got the spatial audio, and I believe that this is everything. So now let's go inside. Okay, and here we can find this 4 different ear tips and our charging case with earbuds. So as you can see, that's how it looks. Right here there's the foil, so I'm not gonna actually remove it because it will probably scratch, but this is the information that will display here. And as you can see right here, we can find the name of the device, and the plastic is actually this is actually the plastic. The good quality plastic is well made. It's actually heavy, it's not that light. There's the charging port, the pairing button. On the reverse we can find some marking, and the earbuds looks like this. Take a look. Now let's check what we can find here. Like that. And here we can find the cable and the user manual. Okay, and after we connect this earbuds inside the application, as you can see, we can find a lot of options. So let's start. We are in the general tab, and first of all we've got the ambient sound control. So for sure we can switch, once we actually turn it on, we can switch between the noise cancellation, ambient aware, and talk through. And by clicking on the information icon we can find description of every function. That's really great that if you don't know what it does, basically every function right here, you can find this information icon and get some description. But now when we actually activate the noise cancellation, we can even customize. So we can get adaptive ANC and auto compensation. What does it mean? This is actually checking our wearing and ear canal status to adjust the ANC level in real time. Okay. Now we got the smart charging case. So right here on this case, as you can see, we got the wallpaper, and we can actually change a lot of things. But once you actually open it and we will be connected back, I'm going to show you all of these features that we can actually add or remove from this case. There we go. So first of all, we can change the brightness of the screen. Right here we can change this lock screen wallpaper and change the screen timeout of this wallpaper. So we can just turn it off, or for example get it for 60 seconds. But also we can add the custom photo from the album, or we can take the photo right now. Then we can add here even the messages notification, and we can remove these screens. If you are not gonna use language or flashlight, you can just simply unselect and it will disappear. So that's great that we can actually customize it, and we can even change the language of this charging case information. Next, when we go into this option, we got check my best fit. So we'll actually perform the ear tips fit. So we have to place both earbuds inside ears and then click start. Below we can find smart talk. So when start speaking, the music automatically lower the volume to activate talk through mode for quick conversation. Okay, that's interesting. Personalize sound amplification. So we can actually turn it on right now. And for example, we can gain more sound on the left ear. Here, smart audio and video mode. And what it does, basically the audio mode improve this audio quality, The video mode improves lip sync performance, so it works like low latency mode. There's also smart automation, so it will actually automatically play and pause music and pick up the phone calls. And here we can find, all of these gestures for the left and the right earbud. Single tap, double tap, tap and hold, and also the call controls. So if you want to change something, for sure you can do this. You got the volume control, the playback control, or you can even turn them off if you want, for the left or right. That's your choice. We can also disable and enable the voice prompts and even change language of the voice prompts. Now, when we go into the audio tab, we can find the LDAC codec that improves sound quality. We can find sound equalizer with 6 default presets, and we can create few custom presets if we want. There's the adaptive equalizer, so it can low volume equalizer, so it boosts highs and lows to maintain the same high fidelity performance even listening in the low volume. That's great. And there is also the leakage compensation, so automatically adjust the EQ settings based on how our earbuds fits in our ears. Below we can find the spatial audio for movies, music and gaming. Here we can find the personify. Okay, what it does, I'm not sure. Okay, it's actually checking the environment noise, and then it's checking the wearing status. Okay, let's go back from this one. Here we can set the balance between the left and the right ear. We get the max volume limiter, and we can find some call settings like sound level optimizer, sound settings, voice setting, voice aware, so we can hear your own voice during the phone calls, private call mode, so we can take out one earbud and use it as a microphone to enhance our voice level during a call or to keep our conversation private. For others, what do we got? The relax sound, okay, find my buds, power saving mode, so there is automatic standby and automatic power off, and support, what we can find, set up the headphones. Okay, so all of these tips, reset to factory settings, update software, software of charging case, and even the serial number. But you cannot find here something. There's one option that is missing here, and I mean two options. So right here in this earbuds we can find mono mode. You can place one earbud inside your ears and it will work only for the left one. The second one must be in the case. And there is also the dual device connection. You can connect these earbuds to two devices at the same time. And yeah, that will be all. This is like unboxing and quick overview of this device. Thanks for watching.